Hello guys, welcome to my channel again, NexTutorial, and in today's video I'm going to walk you through step by step on how to factory reset your LG G8x ThinQ. This particular device has a password on it and we're going to be removing that password off of it. So what you'll need to do to factory reset this device, you will need to press the power key on the side and you want to press the volume down key. You want to press those two buttons at the same time. As soon as the phone turns on, you want to release and press the power key again and keep holding. Once you get to the factory data reset screen, you want to use the volume down key to navigate and you want to scroll down to the option yes. Then you want to press the power key again. Same thing here, you want to scroll down to the option yes, then press the power key to confirm, and now the phone will start resetting and erasing everything off this device. This is it guys. If you found this tutorial helpful to you, please make sure to like and subscribe my channel for more, and thank you guys for watching. I'll see you next time.